So we are back out on location. This is a very muddy one, guys. We've got our welly boots on. We just found this little stream thing. We got the Boom Racing D110. Miles has got the TRX4-M high trail. Let's do it. Let's walk through this forest. Crikey, we're gonna get absolutely filthy in here. All about the footage, guys. Looks like Miles has actually got stuck for the first time.
Yeah.
Wow. That's right in. So how would you compare them, Miles, while we're here and that is stuck now? How would you think that compares to the normal TRX4-M?
I would say it depends what you're doing.
Yeah?
If you are mudding, this one. If you're doing crawling on like proper rocks, I would say the normal one, because this one can be a bit top heavy.
When we say normal one, we mean your posh brushless one, don't we?
Yeah.
But this really is a go anywhere little truck, isn't it? Alright guys, we've just finished a wicked trail crawling session. We've got the D110 and the LC70. This is a Boom Racing 135mm chassis, and this is a GSO2 Pro G made. What have you got, Miles?
I've got the TRX4-M high trail with the Chevy body, looking very nice.
Brilliant fun, isn't it? We love bashing, guys, but I quite honestly say I think my favourite RC bit is crawling.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. We very rarely break anything, and it's absolutely brilliant. So apologies for the shocking camera view at the minute, guys, but you're actually propped up on a selfie stick in the boot of the van. So we're going to mix things up a little bit with this video. We'll get all the running footage on first, and then we'll get all the boring chit chat at the end. Welcome back to the workshop, guys. You've just been watching the TRX4-M high trail driven by Miles. This is my one actually, but we obviously share all our toys. Miles has really enjoyed driving this one today. He's not shy of getting them in the water, as you'll have seen. I'll leave a link in the description to our crawlers playlist, so you can see Miles driving this one and the D110. It's got the brushless conversion in it. I think, to be honest, for the money, the size of it, this really is absolutely fantastic. It really does go anywhere. I've never seen a more capable truck out the box for its size. Yes, it's got a single speed transmission. Yes, it's brushed. However, this thing is like a tank. It piles over everything, drives through everything, doesn't mind being a submarine, doesn't mind being a boat. Absolutely brilliant thing. Every time we get it home, it goes in the kitchen sink, and as you can see there, it's absolutely swimming in WD-40, and every couple of runs we'll get it stripped down and greased and lubed back up. Look after your toys, guys, and they'll last you a long time. This thing, absolutely epic. Check back on our channel. There's loads of crawler videos on there. We've just done one on the Land Rover D110, the Boom Racing chassis, and the GSO2 Pro chassis LC70 Land Cruiser. So we'll leave links in the description for all those videos. Hopefully we'll see you on those. Take it easy, guys.